Here we are going to conduct a 3-day workshop on Vedic mathematics from 27th to 29th. 27th, 28th and 29th we are going to conduct this Narendra Bhavan, Raj Mohalla, Kachigoda in Hyderabad. It is going to be conducted from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. every day, and we are expecting eminent scholars from all over India, from all the corners, to guide the students and to teach them the techniques of Vedic mathematics. And Vedic mathematics, the advantages are many. Not only the speed and accuracy it develops, but the rich heritage and culture of India is going to be propagated and promoted. Unfortunately, it is being imported now from the foreigners. We are importing our own culture, our own studies, our own heritage from others, because we are not recognizing Vedic mathematics as our own. Now we are all trying to revive the culture, revive this Vedic mathematics. It is developed here 5,000 years ago. Sri Bharati Tirtha Krishna Swamiji, he has taken out many principles out of this Veda and given us as Vedic Ganita, and all these sutras are now adopted, and every day that is being followed in many schools and colleges all over the world. Like for example, in London, a chain of schools, since last a decade, they are following these Vedic Ganit principles and having the advantages of it. And here we are expecting, as I told you, many scholars. For example, Dr. Kailash Vishwakarma and Bachubhai Rawal, Mr. V.G. Umkalkar and Mr. Rajendran from Chennai, and Sri Mutyam Reddy Garu from Sirisilla, and
Mahel
Vahanan from Chennai. So we are expecting lot of people from different corners of our country, and they are going to give us their experiences and latest findings of this Vedic mathematics. So please, you have to help us to spread the information from corner to corner all over, so that it can help many people to participate and take the advantages of it. And now from Nistal Smart Learning Solutions, we are associated with Shiksha Samskriti Uthanyas, Delhi, and we are conducting this for the first time in Hyderabad. This is the first workshop, and we hope to conduct this and make it as a compulsory event every year for the propagation of this our rich heritage, Vedic mathematics. And the fees we are collecting 400 rupees for 3 days per person, which includes the course material and the breakfast, lunch, evening snacks, coffee, tea, everything, the food arrangements and the accommodation, everything we are going to give the students. And this is being distributed among the students into 3 sections like advanced, basic, advanced and very advanced. Whoever is unknown of this Vedic mathematics and attending for the first time, they can attend the basic level, whereas already experienced people, they can attend the advanced, and the teachers of Vedic mathematics, they can attend the very advanced courses. So we are happy to meet you all today